Amazon's latest update, a little weird and aggravating potentially. Have you noticed that if you have a lifestyle image that all of a sudden Amazon started to advertise somebody else's products on your listing in a new way? Check this out. Here's a secondary image. You can see it's selling a lamp like that. But when you go to the secondary image, all of a sudden, there's a little table tray there. There's a pillow. Let's click on that. Shop similar items. Wow, Amazon is trying to advertise alternative products on your own listing. This table lamp right there is not the same table lamp that shows up in the main image. Why would Amazon do this? Well, they're probably copying Houzz and Pinterest and YouTube and all those other social channels where it's okay to tag alternative products. But on my own detail page, Amazon, why are you doing this? And to be clear here, this is not items from the same brand. If you click on the bed, it pulls up a Finch store. Originally, we were on the Goying store, probably some Chinese ripoff brand, but nonetheless, come on, Amazon, you're advertising on my own listing in the secondary images. How is that okay? Why in 1,000 worlds did you think that this would be comfortable for brands like this? Why aren't you giving us the ability to customize the shopping experience instead of you just randomly saying, oh, you're buying a lamp, maybe you want this pillow from some other random brand and associating with that with my product? You have so much other real estate. I know, Amazon, you have run out of real estate to advertise. You've taken the top banner up here. You've taken the side skyscrapers. You've taken the middle of the page. You've even taken the frequently bought together. Wait a minute, there's more. Billy Mays has entered the chat with 2 additional rows, which is an entire scrolling experience of advertisements. Thank God I've got A+ content where I can take up some space, maybe use some premium A+ content where I threw a video in like that. Oh my goodness, if you're not taking up as much vertical space as you can with A+ content right now, you're begging Amazon to advertise. Now we're down to compare similar items. I'm sure there's more advertisements somewhere down on this page. Now we've got inspiration from this brand. Congratulations, that's actually on brand. But other people viewed these other ones. Here's another product row. Oh, there's a video ad for somebody else's product. How many more ads can we stick in here? There's another video ad right there. So, and more. I thought it was going to be over, but no, here's another product row. And Billy Mays, ShamWow, there's more. There's another banner. Oh, another more items to explore down here. And more items to explore. And then there's my browsing history. Wow. So now, even when I'm looking at secondary images provided by a brand, I can now start to see advertisements for somebody else's products. How does that make you feel? Leave it in the comments.